Hi there, students. Rizz with a double Z, an uncountable noun, and to rizz up as a verb as well. Okay, this word was the Oxford English Dictionary, Oxford University's word of the year. Now this this talks about romantic appeal, charm, being attractive, particularly to women. It's talking about sex appeal. It's talking about your ability to seduce a female, a mate, yeah, a partner. And some people have got Rizz and some people haven't. And actually, I'm sure you know exactly what it is. This characteristic, they're just some people who have Rizz. It's romantic appeal. It's talking about charm. Okay, and this is the idea of Rizz. Now, Rizz was made famous by Cenat. Cenat is a YouTuber and TikToker who streams online. He comes from New York, and he has been really made this word Rizz famous, and well, now it's so famous that it's the OED, Oxford English Dictionary, word of the year. So Rizz is talking about the ability that men have, that certain men, not all of them, have to attract women, to attract partners. Let's see. It's said that this word is short for charisma, although Cenat says that it's not. But this word existed as African American New York slang before he started making it popular. And let's see, you could have Rizz, unspoken Rizz. This is your ability to flirt. That you can flirt with your eyes. That would be unspoken Rizz. So he comes into the room and his unspoken Rizz attracts all of the pretty girls. So unspoken Rizz, it's like magnetic appeal. You could have negative Rizz. Maybe I have fairly negative Rizz. Is somebody who is, their charisma is so bad that they repel people. Let's see. Cenat says that Walt from the series, Walt has negative Rizz. Okay, and then you could have a Rizz god, somebody who's got lots and lots and lots of sex appeal, somebody who's really good at flirting. They've just got it naturally. So Rizz, yeah. Now it's interesting that most of the dictionaries don't include this word except for the Merriam-Webster. Okay, so everybody has their own special sort of Rizz. Maybe it's a pick-up line or the fact that they do something or whatever. Okay, so Rizz, and then to rizz up, to charm, to seduce. The boys are always attempting to rizz up the girls. Okay, so to rizz up. So formality. This is very informal. I'm going to give it a 3 in formality. 2.5, 3 in formality. Notice this word is African American slang. Let's see. Yes, it was the Oxford English Dictionary Word of the Year. Although I think a lot of British people still will not know it, and that's reflected by the fact it's not in most major dictionaries. But well, that's the way life goes. So Rizz, sex appeal, the ability to chat up girls. The effect of being attractive, just being naturally attractive. You just got this je ne sais quoi, Rizz. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Rizz.